Recall from your lower classes, you learned that regular production, proper management, and distribution of food is necessary to feed a large population. Can you think of some ways which can yield us more crops? Yes. One of the ways is to have more land for cultivation. More land cultivated means more crops. But India is already intensively cultivated. As a result, we do not have any major scope for increasing the area of land under cultivation. In India, there has been a 4 times increase in the production of food grains from 1960 to 2004, with only 25% increase in the cultivable land area. How has this increase in production been achieved? Yes, by increasing the efficiency of production for both crops and livestock. By livestock, we mean the domesticated animals being raised in the farms for production of food resources. Using up more land for cultivation means fewer forests. Increasing production of crops and livestock impacts natural resources. There are more chances of causing damage to our natural resources to the point of destroying their balance completely. Therefore, it is important that we should increase food production without degrading our environment and disturbing the balances maintaining it. Recall the balanced diet and its importance. Cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, millets, and sorghum provide us carbohydrate for energy requirement. Pulses like gram, pea, black gram, green gram, pigeon pea, lentil provide us with protein. And oilseeds including soybean, groundnut, sesame, castor, mustard, linseed, and sunflower provide us with necessary fats. Vegetables, spices, and fruits provide a range of vitamins and minerals in addition to small amounts of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. How can we increase production of these crops? There are practices that can be implemented before the seeds are sown, during the time the crops are grown, and practices that protect the crops from preventing loss of crops after harvesting. Hence, it can be classified as crop variety improvement, crop production improvement, crop protection management. Let us look at crop variety improvement. What you sow is what you reap. The first is the choice of seeds for planting. Recall from your class on fibers and fabrics the process of selective breeding, that is, the process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring, such as soft underhair in sheep. With plants, it is done by the process of hybridization. It is the process of crossing between genetically dissimilar plants. Take a look at the different types of hybridization. This crossing may be intervarietal, that is, between different varieties. Interspecific, between two different species of the same genus. Or intergeneric, between different genera. Most cereals are bred using intervarietal hybridization. Interspecific hybridization is used for tomatoes and sugarcane. These varieties are resistant to disease and pest. Intergeneric hybridization method is used for crops like sorghum and sugarcane to yield grass for biomass and feedstock. Another way of improving the crop is by introducing a gene that would provide the desired characteristic. This results in genetically modified crops. You will learn more about genes in higher classes. Recall the biotic and abiotic elements in the surroundings. How do biotic and abiotic factors affect crop production? Crop production can go down due to biotic, like diseases, insects, and nematodes, and abiotic, like drought, salinity, waterlogging, heat, cold, and frost, stresses under different situations. Varieties resistant to these stresses can improve crop production. Hence, biotic and abiotic resistance is one of the factors for which improvements can be made. Others are higher yield, improved quality, wider adaptability, and change in maturity duration. For fodder or animal feed, It is better to have characteristics such as tallness and profuse branching. But for cereals, darkness is preferred. That is, less nutrients are consumed by these crops. Thus, developing varieties of desired agronomic characters help give higher productivity.